In this video, we're going to learn how to use the Quick Submit feature on TurnItIn. So first, you're going to create an account with TurnItIn and follow the onboarding steps that will be sent to your email. After you've set a password, you can go to turnitin.com, select Login, and then log into your TurnItIn account. This will display the TurnItIn dashboard. As you can see up here, we have no option for Quick Submit, so we're going to have to enable that. We're going to go up to the top right and select User Info. This will open up our user information and account settings. We're going to scroll down, and find the Activate Quick Submit button. Go to the dialog box and check Yes. After that, scroll down and press Submit. Now, we can see we have the Quick Submit tab on our toolbar. At the recording of this video, TurnItIn just introduced their new AI originality report, which might be especially useful to the instructors as they're trying to deal with ChatGPT. It is important to note, though, that the Quick Submit button is purely on a case-by-case basis, meaning if you'd like TurnItIn to check for originality in all your student submissions, this would not be the best option for you. However, if you want to submit just one assignment or a couple, this is a great option. Now, we can go down and we can see we have no assignments in our assignment folder. So we can go and click here. This will customize our search. This is different options to check for originality against. I usually just click all three, press submit. Now, put in the name of your student. We'll go Jane Doe. Submission title will be final paper. You can submit from Dropbox, Google Drive, or just your local drive. I'll select this computer and find the final paper I want to submit. Now, I simply press upload. The file is processing. Looks good, that's the final paper. And then now I press confirm. Now I can go back to the assignment inbox or submit another file. I don't have any other files to submit, so I can go back to the assignment inbox. And now our paper has been validated and checked for originality from TurnItIn, which, as you can see here, it did pretty poor, which makes sense. We're going to click into this, and this goes to the standard feedback studio that is standard in your Canvas integration if you've ever used TurnItIn before. Up here, we can see the similarity report. I had just submitted this exact paper, so that's why there's 100% similarity. And then the bottom is the new AI originality report, which shows that 100% of this has likely been written by AI, which is true because I just made it in ChatGPT. So perfect. This has all the standard features of the TurnItIn integration in Canvas and allows for a quick one-time submit. If you have any questions, please refer to the PLNU OIT website. Thank you so much.